So, as you learned subtraction of integers in the previous video, now it's time to learn subtraction of decimal and fraction. So, let's start with our first example, 4.3 minus 2.1. Here in decimal, we have to see after point how many digits we have. Now 3 minus 1, how much? You know, 3 minus 1, 2. As it is point we have to keep. From the right side we have to start. Now after point, what is this? 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 2.2. Now it is right. Now next example, what they given here, 83 minus 62.72. Now what we have to do is 83 minus 14. After point you have to say the single value like 14, not 14. You should not say 1472. You have to say 14 as well as 62.72. You should not say 72. Now what we will see, 83.14 minus 62.72. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 or 7 minus 1. It is 6. Point. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. Is it correct? No, absolutely wrong. Now what we have to do? Previous class you already studied about carry, right? The same thing we have to do in decimal also. The same thing. Now what we have to do? 4 minus 2, what? 2. Now 1 minus 7, what we have to do? Next we have to carry forward. Here 2, here 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Very good. Next 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. The answer is 20.42. This is right answer. The next example, 53.143 minus 9.12. Here what we have to do is 53.143 9.12. Now 3, 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3. Here 5 minus 9. Is it possible? We did some mistake, right? Yes, it is a wrong answer. Now what we have to do is, as it is from right side onwards you have to write. So here point value should come in the same value. That is the special thing in decimal. Now 53.143, here ones place we are keeping here 9.120. Here we can keep 0 because this value we have 3 digits. So here 2 digits. So we can keep here 0. Now 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 2, what? 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Point. 3 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Now what we have to do in previous sum, what we did, carry forward. Here 5 we have. Now 4. Here 13. 13 minus 9, what? 4. 4 as it is. The value is 44.023. This is right answer. I hope everyone is understanding this decimal subtraction. I think you are enjoying. Next problem, 343.1 minus 16.463. Now what we have to do is 343.1 minus 16.463. Now we have to write here 343.001 minus 16.463. Now 1 minus 3, is it possible? No. Now we need to forward. Here through, here 10, 9, again here 10, 9, here 11. Here what will come? Here 8, 3, 5 point. Again here we have to borrow. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Is it right answer, kids? No, this is wrong. Why means after here 1 means here we have after point 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place we have. But after point 1, 0, 0 will come. So we have to write this like this. Now 343.100 minus, here already previous example I said, right, the point we have to write clearly and we have to write the place value 16.463. Now 343.100 minus 16.463. Now what we have to do, as it is the carry forward method, we have here 0, 0, 1. Now we have to take here 0, here 10, again here 9, here 10. 10 minus 3, what children? 7. 9 minus 6, 3. Now 0 minus 4, it is not possible. Again we are following, carrying from here. Now here 2, here 10. 10 minus 4, 6. What we have here? Point. Next 2 minus 6 we can't do. Next here we are taking from here. Now here 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 1, 2, 3. This is right answer. I hope everyone understood subtraction of decimal. Now subtraction of fraction we will see. This is also like previously you studied addition of fraction. In the same way we will do, but here we will do subtraction. So now what we will do here, the first 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now what we need to do here is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now in this problem what we need to do, here equal to we will keep, the next step equal to by the denominator, that is equal or not we need to check. Yes, it is equal means commonly we can keep here. Next, as it is like addition, we will do here subtraction 3 minus 1. The next step is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. We can write like this. We can solve this. 2 in one tables, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The answer is 1 by 2. This is right. Next example, 42 by 17 minus 21 by 17. Now what we need to do is here equal to 42 by 17 minus 21 by 17. The next step, as I said before the previous sum, the common denominator we have. So now we will write here 17, here numerator value 42 minus 21. 42 minus 21, 21 by 17. Did you understand, children? Once again I will say 42 by 17 minus 21 by 17. Now we have common denominator in both values. So we are taking here common denominator value 17, 42 minus 21 numerator value. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So 21 by 17. We can check here also. Is there any possibilities to reduce this value? Lowest term? No. So that's it. So if you want we can write it in decimal, but we will discuss here fraction only. So we can write here 21 by 17. The next example, 7 by 3 minus 6 by 5. Here what is the difference? We have denominator different. Previous video we already explained how to do this type of problems in addition of fraction as well as mixed fractions. I hope everyone understand that. The same way only we will do here. Now what we will do here is 7 by 3 minus 6 by 5. Here 7 by 3 into what we have to do? 5 by 5. Why? 3 5s are 15. The denominator 3 5s are the same way, numerator also 5 will come, minus 6 by 5 into 5 3s are 15. The same way here 5 3s are 15, denominator means numerator also 3. Now 7 5s are 35 by 15 minus 6 3s are 18 by 15. Now you can see here 15, the denominator is equal. Now as what we did previous addition, the same way now we have to do subtraction. The denominator value is 15, 35 minus 18 is the numerator value. Now 35 minus 18, 17 by 15. This is your final answer. The next problem is 4 of 7 by 3 minus 3 of 3 by 5. That is, this is what? Mixed fraction. Now already in previous video, addition using mixed fraction you solved. Now the same way we have to solve this problem. Only one thing, we have to do subtraction. Now here 4 of 7 by 3 minus 3 of 3 by 5. Now what we have to do is 3 into 4 is 12 plus 7, 19 by 3 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Now we need to check this denominator. Is it equal, children? No. 3 5. The same what we did the previous fraction problem. 19 by 3 into 3 5s are 15. Same way 5 by 5 minus 18 by 5 into 5 3s are 15. So 3 by 3. Now 19 5s are, we don't know. Now directly we can do 5 9s are 45. Here 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9 by 3 5s are 15 minus 3 5s are 24, 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 15. The next step is, here we got the same denominator. We will write here 15, here 95 minus 54. Here we can solve 95 minus 54. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. So numerator what we got here? 41 by 15. This is the right answer. These example problems are very basic, so I hope you all understood what we learned, and I hope you will answer correctly in the today's test. Thank you students, and wish you all the best.